Started on 28th February in Ishamati has led to clampdown and curfew imposition by the government to ensure peace and tranquility in affected areas, particularly in state capital Shillong. Tourism business houses have witnessed a severe impact at every level, resulting in huge loss of revenue generation and income. One such impact is being felt by the tourist cabs and tourist drivers, who informed that the unrest has caused the visitors to call off their visit to the state.
Kecilwan turis mencapai long talakam dunai Indonesia kumkipor kibaman siwa.
75% tegla.
Another such impact is being felt by the hoteliers in the state capital and by the homestay owners in tourist spots such as Maulinong and Sora. It was informed that since the unrest started, holiday makers and officials on business trip to Shillong have cancelled their hotel and accommodation bookings. Hotels in the state capital is witnessing 80% decline of visitors, which is evident from the non-occupancy or empty rooms in almost all the hotels.
Well, it has affected us similarly as all the other hotels, because when guests come, whether they come for business or whether they come for relaxation, they want a peaceful atmosphere. No one wants to get involved in any kind of a problem. And above all, if there is threat to violence, that is the worst thing that a guest wants. So it's a very unfortunate situation which has unfolded in the city. The damage which has been done will be long lasting.
To keep business running, some of the hotels are even offering a huge discount, but even this failed to lure back the visitors. Hotel managers fear such unrest will result in long-term impact and affect the image of Meghalaya as a tourist destination. However, there is anticipation and hope that the city will limp back to normalcy and bring back the tourist footfall to the state. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.